Maayang gabi.
Not yet.
Yeah, well, I thought it was.
It's recording, but I'll say hi, guys.
Well, I don't look. That looks like.
No, you look cute. Hi guys, this is Marilyn, your friendly Filipino carpentera here in America. Good morning, afternoon, evening, midnight, kaadlawon, morning, and umaga sa inyong lahat. Nandito po kami ngayon sa aming napaka messy na bahay. Actually guys, tingnan nyo. Ha? Kusina namin ito pero may mga tanim, may mga cabinets. But anyway, together with me is my ever-loving husband. Cute and gentle, and ayaw niya guys na magpakuha ng video. You did not like, you don't like to be on video, right? But I asked him, sabi ko, please come. Para naman may manood. Maawa na kayo, manood na kayo sa akin.
It's very late here. It's ready. What is it, bedtime?
Yeah, past bedtime. It's actually almost midnight, pero ganun talaga si Carpentera, guys. I am nocturnal, so I'm asleep all day long, but I'm awake all night long. So, anyway, before my husband will bid goodbye and go to sleep while I do my carpentry.
Be sure to watch all of her videos from the past, couple years. Right?
No, just one.
What? Huh?
Just 1 year. I celebrated my 1 year anniversary last November.
Alright.
So, going to 2 years, guys. Hindi pa ako monetize. But anyway, so thank you, Proper.
And you show all your tools. You show all your tools.
Yeah, they already know that.
All right.
Yep.
Well, good
Okay,
night.
thank you, Borg.
Good night, everyone.
Tonight, guys, ipakita ko sa inyo ang finished product, almost finished product doon sa kinatrabaho ko na ukay-ukay na cabinet. Tinanggal ko yung door, tapos I sanded it. Ang hirap magtagalog. But anyway, so sinandpaper ko, tapos linagyan ko ng primer para hindi siya magkalat-kalat yung final color na I chose for my lower base cabinet. So, ngayon nagpakita ko sa inyo kung ano na ang itsura. Okay? So, watch out. And also this one, malapit na ako matapos nito, pero guys, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung pagkaputol ko. Palpak. Palpak talaga. Gusto ko sanang i-planer ito. Kaya lang, madadamage naman itong base. So, ang gagawin ko, the good thing is, itong side na ito is papunta doon sa wall. So, hindi siya makikita. But then, just to be sure, kailangan ko itong tapakan ng wood epoxy so that it will be like really fine edging there or side there, but hindi naman ako masyadong nag-worry kasi as what I've said earlier, it will be positioned against the wall, so hindi talaga siya makikita. But the other side over there, yan, medyo may pagkagandahan naman siya. Yan. So it looks decent enough. Tapos ito may kunti lang na crack kasi hindi talaga maiwasan yan sa pagputol. Lalagyan ko lang yan ng wood epoxy and then sand it and it should be okay. So for now, pakita ko na sa inyo ang hitsura ng aking base cabinet. So stay tuned! Tadang! Dark greenish blue, or I don't know what color is that. Combination of so many colors. Pero guys, yan po yung uso dito ngayon. Dark na may pagka-hint ng blue yung sa base cabinet. Tapos puti doon sa upper cabinet. So ito po yung magiging hitsura ng mga cabinets ko sa ilalim. Or we call it here base cabinet. Antabayanan nyo ang finished product.
So, yan ang first coating. After that, syempre may mga imperfections pa, ayusin natin. And then, hintayin natin ng another 24 hours before natin applyan ng second coating. Syempre, for the meantime, atin munang i-wrap ng plastic ang ating roller para hindi ma-dry. Kasi nakakasira yan ng foam pag ma-dry yung paint. Mahal yung foam, roller foam guys. Nasa almost 700.
So, heto na. Chubidubidu. So, ito po yung final color ng aking base cabinet. Base cabinets meaning yung sa baba na cabinets. Tapos yung sa taas, gagawin kong white. The original color was... Tadang! So, ito, isasand ko din ito. Tapos, lagyan ng primer. And then after that, gagawin ko din na ganito na color. So, this is just for showing purposes. Para makita nyo yung difference from before and after. And guess what? Ilalagay ko yung hardware na I'm sure magugustuhan ko. I don't know kung magugustuhan nyo. But ito po yung in dito sa Amerika ngayon, itong color at itong design hardware. So stay tuned! Alright guys, are you ready? Are you terribly ready? Ready na ba kayo sa aking reveal ng aking hardware? Guys, ito po yung in dito sa Amerika ngayon. Before, di ba, gold na, yellow gold yung mga in before 1980s. Tapos, in the 2000, in is silver. Ngayon, ito na po siya. Tadang! Isn't that amazing? Yan po ay rose gold. Yeah, hindi siya yellow gold, but it's rose gold. And it would like perfectly blend with the dark color here. Tapos ito din po yung gagamitin natin sa ating upper cabinets. Ang background is white, tapos ganito. Pinili ko ito is because itong color na ito, just because number one, ito yung trending ngayon sa America, and number two is yung mga faucets ko, yung mga hardwares ko para sa aking kusina, majority of them are in this colors. Parang may harmony ba? Harmony. So, yan. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Tapos, i-install ko lang ito dito. And then, after that, I'll show you the finished product.
Guys, tingnan nyo kung anong ginawa ng pusa ko. Oh my goodness, ilang araw ko itong pinipintalan, tapos ito lang gagawin nila. I-investigate natin guys kung sino-sino ang mga salarin itong mga pusang ito. Si Fluffy kaya? O si Elsie? Ito kaya si Dusty? Or si Papa's Boy? Or si Gabby? Oh, Rusty and Manya. Oh, Midi. Oh, Bomar. And our beloved Berta. Hindi pwedeng sila guys kasi itong si Bomar, si Berta, Rusty, Manya, and si Hyper nasa heaven na sila. And I miss them so much. Ha! It's your fault. You're so cute. That's why I cannot get over you. Hmm? Come here, baby boy. Ito kaya lang hindi ko aso yan. Ang cute kaya niya, kaya lang I wish aso ko siya but he's not mine. Ito kayang si Elsie. Magnanakaw ang pusa na ito. Oh. Tingnan nyo.
Thief!
But it's fresh. That's the most fresh food right there coming right
Yeah.
Ito kayang si Mori. I think siya yun guys kasi siya yung palaging nakatambay at saka yung kapatid niya na si Cox. Sila yung palaging nakatambay doon sa lugar na pinatungan ko nung pinintahan ko kagabi. I think they are the culprits. Anyway guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga renovations namin from before and after. So ito yung kusina from before and then after. Isn't that beautiful? Yan, another view after. Tapos another view after. Yan. Tapos another renovation sa ibang bahay naman. Yan, before, walang sahig. Yan, another part of the kitchen. Asawa ko nag-ano. Yan, after. And then after. Ito yung pinakauna naming nabili na bahay para i-renovate. Tapos yan yung part ng kusina, nasunog. Tapos inayos namin at yan na. Wala lang akong picture doon sa loob ng kusina before, but it was ugly. Madaming skeleton ng mga pusa, ng mga tuta, ng mga squirrels. Tapos inayos namin, lininisan. Tapos yan na. Next up, another bahay binili namin, tapos rinenovate. Yan yung kitchen. Tapos, yan ang finished product. Diba ang ganda? Marami pa sana ako mga pictures na gusto kong i-share sa inyo before and after sa mga bahay na nabili namin, renovate, tapos nabinta ng a little bit higher price. Kaya lang hindi ko na makalkal kung saan na yung mga pictures ng mga bahay na yun. But anyway, ito po yung latest namin na project. Ito po yung bahay na lilipatan namin kasi yung bahay namin ngayon kailangan ng i-upgrade. So, lipat kami dyan pag matapos. Tapos, itong bahay na tinitirahan namin ngayon ay aming i-upgrade and then aming parintahan. So, antabayanan nyo guys. I hope you will join me in my journey of doing carpentry works here in America. Pasensya na minsan, nabubuyoy ako sa aking Tagalog kaya nag-i-English na lang ako kasi hindi talaga ako marunong Tagalog guys ba. But anyway, dahil sa weather namin dito ngayon, medyo nahinto muna yung trabaho because hindi pwede sila magtrabaho at pag napakalamig ng temperatura dito sa Amerika. But anyway guys, please, kung bago kayo dito, please subscribe, make a comment para mabalikan ko kayo and hit the notification bell para ma-updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko. So, yan na po and itutur ko kayo later pag meron na naman kaming updated na activity dyan sa bahay na tinatayo namin. So stay tuned. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na nagsusumikap na tingnan po yung video ko. I know that you guys are very busy, but I feel humbled. Parang na-humble ako guys na tinitingnan nyo kahit busy kayo, you stop your day, tapos tinitingnan nyo yung mga videos ko. Salamat po talaga sa inyong lahat. Sana pagpalain po tayo ng Panginoon at kayo din. And I'm praying for all of you and thanking God for you. Take care now. Bye-bye.